In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva's version history to preview and restore older designs. If you've ever made changes to a design and wished you could go back, this feature is your safety net. I'll walk you through how to open your design, find your version history, browse past versions, and restore one if you need to, all in a clear and simple flow. First, open your design. Head to canva.com and sign in. Then open the specific design you want to check. Make sure you're in the editor, not just the thumbnail view in your home page. It helps to confirm you've opened the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. Once the design is on your screen, you're ready for the next step. Now, access version history. Look up to the top menu bar and click File. From the drop-down, select Version History, then click See Version History. If you don't see this option, try updating your browser, refreshing the page, or checking that you have edit access to the design. Depending on your account type and permissions, the option may vary, but generally, it's under File in the top menu. You'll see a panel appear on the right side showing your saved versions, usually labeled with timestamps and sometimes with notes, like when a collaborator made changes. Click on any version in that panel to preview it. The canvas will update to show you how the design looked at that moment in time. Take a second to scroll through all your pages and elements. This preview is read only, so you won't accidentally change anything while you're browsing. Use this to compare layouts, text, colors, or images, and decide if an earlier version is closer to what you want. If you find the version you want to go back to, restore it. Click Restore this version. Canva will ask you to confirm, and after you proceed, that version becomes the current design in your editor. From there, you can continue editing as normal. A practical tip: after restoring, quickly review key elements like fonts, brand colors, links, and any recent images to make sure everything matches your intent. If you're cautious about losing your latest work, consider duplicating the design beforehand so you can keep both versions in your project library. And that's it. You've opened your design, accessed version history, browsed past versions, and restored the one you needed. With this workflow, you can experiment freely, knowing you can always roll back with confidence.